According to attorney Mike Phillips, being held in contempt of court is more than just going to jail. From a legal perspective, the court can do two things. It can coerce an individual or party to comply with what is being ordered of them, or issue forms of punishment, which can include sanctions, fines, and even imprisonment. For the government of Guam situation, Judge Francis Tydenko Gatewood can do both. And while he foresees the judge's jurisdiction of tapping into GovGuam funds to get the million-dollar payments being called into question, Phillips argues the district court has broad powers to enforce her decisions, and it includes coercion and punishment.
I think the more accurate statement is, in this case, the chief judge might be able to do both. She might provide a warning and say that in addition to this coercion, there will be punishment. I don't think the court will do that, and I'm the last person to second guess judges because obviously in litigation things can go either way.
Another issue Phillips brings up is the role the legislature will play in the future of this consent decree case. In the past, he brings up examples of how GovGuam agencies can bypass the legislative process by going through the court and having an order issued out to get what it wants. And though the Camacho administration went through the legislature for the landfill funding, Phillips sees the legislature's appropriation power being called into question with the court.
Under the Organic Tax system, the legislature has a fundamental role in that process. There's no question they've been left out of this. The real question is, constitutionally, and in our case it's under the Organic Tax, can they be left out of this in this manner? That question was never presented to the court before.
Despite all the constitutional and legal issues embedded with the landfill situation, Phillips says from his legal standpoint, the court does have the power to extract money from GovGuam, and perhaps even direct the treasurer of Guam to pay up what she ordered.
But at the end of the day, if the district court wants, it can extract that money. It's a procedural question of how do you do that? Do you have what we call in personam jurisdiction over the governor? Is he the person? Do you direct the treasurer of the government? Those are procedural issues that I think with the parties involved, there's a good chance that will be worked out.